What's up, guys? Today I'm back, and Gavin Gamer Boy here, and I'm taking over Shawn Studios today. And yeah.
Gavin, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm definitely not taking over Shawn Studios.
Are you taking over Shawn Studios?
Maybe, maybe not.
All right. What's up, guys? Shawn here. So today, I'm going to show you my new tech. And we're going to put some handlebars on it. You ready? Let's do it. What's up, guys? We've got the Segway by Ninebot. This is the Minipro. I've got the black version. And what we're going to do today is we're going to show you what it's like with just the knee pads, and then I'm going to do an upgrade where I'm going to put handlebars on it that I got off Amazon. So there'll be links in the description where to get this guy, where to get the handlebars. This will be a great idea for Christmas. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you some footage of Gavin riding. So check this out. Alright, so now that you've seen how it handles with the knee bar, we're going to take the knee bar off and we're going to replace it with the handlebars, and then we're going to show you how Gavin rides around like that. Alright guys, so we're going to run through the parts that you get with this kit real quick. So we have the bottom bar, and the bottom bar is going to replace the knee bar right here. Okay? And there's these two holes, and that's what you put the screws in, okay? It's red and black, so it matches the Segway, so it's pretty cool. Then these are the handlebars. The handlebars have a little place on top here for you to put a cell phone holder. And they've got these really nice knuckle guards, so if you fall off, these will hit the ground before your knuckles do, and that's pretty cool. So you've got the handlebar, and you got the base bar, and you've got these 4 holes right here, 4 holes right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to slide it together with all your might. Give it a little wiggle. Bam. We got the holes lined up, guys. Woo! That was rough. Phew! It's one issue whenever you're putting stuff together in the field and you forget a screwdriver. You got to resort to your keychain. So that part is assembled, guys. So we've got this little knob that we loosen it up, and now this will get this long for Daddy, Gavin size. Next, to put it on the Segway. All right, guys. So you see these two little screws? They're Allen wrench screws. We're going to take those off of the Segway. Alright guys, so once you have the base plate off of the Segway, now you're going to have this little post, and we're going to put the handlebars back on that. Huh? Looks pretty good, guys. All right, Gavin, so what'd you think?
It's good.
You like it?
As tall as you now, yeah.
You're as tall as me now? Man, he's almost as tall as me anyway. So these are the handlebars for the Ninebot Segway Minipro. Links in the description below. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos with this guy. Peace out, guys. I think that's all for now.